Okay, quick video about installing JT Strong Arms on the rear hydraulic stabilizers. This is the rear of my trailer. Couldn't find a ton of information about how to install these properly. I discovered that if I were to get more brass bushings like the ones that came on the front, it would make the install much better. So I found these at Lowe's. These are flanged machine bushings, I believe is what they're called. Here's the part number and the size. They're a 1/2 inch outside diameter, 3/8 inside diameter. And then you may have to drill the hole out a little bit with your 1/2 inch drill bit, just like I did. And hang on one second. Open this up. This is what they look like. They look the same as the front, except they're a little bit longer, but they're not too long. They don't hit each other inside the tube. So, and I'm dealing with the bits here. So, drill your hole out. Make sure it's. I'll do that right now. Drill your hole out. Make sure it's full 1/2 inch. And these will slide right into place, snug. So that way, then you can take your strong arm and you have this 3/8 bolt. And if you tried to install it without these bushings, you'd have a lot of play. And that kind of defeats the purpose of these strong arms. You want everything to be snug so that it eliminates the sway in the trailer. So these bushings here make a huge difference. Put those bushings in, one on each side, slide it in just like you did on the front, and tighten everything up. Now, if you want to do this while your trailer's set up, it's no problem. You just hit, if you've got the auto level, you just hit retract all for about 5 seconds, and then hit it again and it'll stop, and it'll just take the tension off. And then install these. Obviously you want to loosen all your strong arms before you do that, including the front. And then once you get this installed and snugged down, you hit auto level again. And one trick that I've found to get these nice and snug is set up your trailer, hit auto level, tighten the strong arms, open the slides, and then hit auto level again with the strong arms tightened. And that will actually put some tension on the strong arms, but not too much, and it'll take even more movement out of your trailer. So anyway, I hope this is helpful to you guys. Again, I got those bushings at Lowe's, and here's the part number again. Hang on, let me get this bag. Bronze flange bearing, 3/8 by 1/2 by 5/8 by 1. There's all the numbers on the bag, made by Hillman. Get 4 of them. You need 4 of them to do 2 stabilizers. That's all. Thanks for watching.